this is the two equal halves, and we will fold like this and like this. And we will write here lap book. You can paste anything here, and downside we will write COVID-19. I have to show one example like this. You can make. First I write lap book, then I paste this COVID-19 picture, then I write COVID-19. The signs of COVID-19 are fever, cough, and trouble in breathing. Now the symptoms are: first, congestion; second is runny nose; third is muscle pain; fourth is headache; fifth is tiredness; sixth is diarrhea. Now this. To prevent infection, steps are: wash your hands regularly with soap and water. Second, maintain at least 1 meter distance between you and people. Avoid touching your face. Cover your mouth and nose when coughing and sneezing. Stay home if you feel unwell. If you feel unwell, go to hospital immediately. Now, wearing mask while going outside. Avoid these things. First is avoid people gathering. Second is going outside. Third is close contact.
The second example, it seemed like her, but it has some changes. It's open like it. I have written the origin of virus. Origin of virus first case. Full market of Wuhan, China, where is it starts spread. To prevent infection of COVID-19. Wash hands, use sanitizer, wear your mask. Stay home and be safe from COVID-19.
We have made this, and you can make this also. And remember that you have to wear your mask and use sanitizer. And don't forget, guys, that hit the like button and subscribe button